cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have some spare ribs with me here, probably about 300 grams maybe. I'm going to make a sweet and sour spare ribs or black vinegar spare ribs. Yeah. So first thing you need to do is to prep your spare ribs. A lot of people will go and blanch it. For me, I always feel that Malaysian pork is not as gamey as those overseas ones. So I won't blanch my spare ribs here. But if I'm using pork leg, yes, pork leg you will need to blanch. But pork ribs, not so bad. As long as you know the pork that you buy is very fresh, it's fine. At least to me lah. And then what I do here, I will just rinse it few rounds under water. That's all for my so-called blanching process. All right, for the spare ribs. After that, I'm going to marinate it and we will deep fry it. Now, there are two ways of making this dish. One is without deep fry, one is deep fry. I personally prefer the deep fry version. No right or wrong. So let's marinate it with a little bit of light soy sauce. Appa is a bit chat because of my finger got cut. A bit of Shaoxing wine. So the Shaoxing wine will help to remove the gaminess from the meat itself also. And some cornstarch or any starch powder you have. So we're going to set this aside and I will go and prepare my hot oil, yeah? We're going to deep fry it. While waiting for the oil to get heated up, let me very quickly show you what is the sauce for you to help to make the black vinegar sauce, yeah? So of course, as the name suggests, you need black vinegar and you need dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and sugar. Each of them you probably need about around plus minus about 2 tablespoons of each. Then about 4 tablespoons of water. Alright, so we only needed medium temperature oil, which is when you put a chopstick inside, you should be able to see some bubbles. Here it is about 130 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'm fine. So we are going to deep fry the ribs for about 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. This is after about 3 minutes. Alright, this is after about around 5 minutes now. Definitely it is cooked and you can see some beautiful char on the surface. Yeah, that is what I want to achieve, and that is the reason why I want to deep fry it first, to give it some extra flavor from the char. Yeah. Okay, we can put this aside, set this aside on oil absorbing paper. Ooh, already very fragrant. After about 5 minutes, your ribs should be almost like fully cooked. See? Very, very fragrant now. Very aromatic already. So next thing we are going to prepare the sauce. Very easy. What I show you just now, everything is about 2 tablespoons. Yeah? This is around 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. I don't need as much dark soy sauce lah. This is dark soy sauce, maybe about 1 tablespoon. Black vinegar, all right, about 2 tablespoons. Shaoxing wine, about 2 tablespoons. Definitely 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's where you get your sweet and sour from. I think I just now did not add enough dark vinegar. Let me give it a little bit more. Okay. And about 4 tablespoons of water, filtered water. Now we can raise the heat. And you want to make sure everything is nicely dissolved. Everything is nicely dissolved here before we add in the pork ribs. Come back shortly. So right after it started to boil, okay, I cannot feel the sugar anymore. Everything is dissolved. This is the time where we can put in the deep fried pork or the ribs, yeah. Give it a few stir, and we shall let it continue cooking until the sauce thicken up by itself. This process will take another few minutes, and we are keeping it on medium-high heat at least. You will start seeing the sauce, yeah, the sauce getting thicker and thicker. Eventually, everything will become very shiny. We come back shortly. This is after about 2 minutes. You can see the sauce already started to thicken. See, it becomes shinier and shinier. Let it continue cooking. So this is after about 3 minutes. You can see the sauce getting thicker and thicker. Almost done. It's like getting to 4-5 minutes. It's basically done. You can see all the our ribs is nicely coated with this beautiful sweet and sour sauce. Done. That's how simple it is to make a black vinegar spare ribs at home. If you have some roasted sesame, this is the time you can actually put in some roasted sesame. Yeah, Appa don't have roasted sesame with me. Maybe not roasted also can. All right. Anyway, this is going to be very, very nice. This beautiful glazed color, right? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.